it. Number 5 is Anycubic Kobra Plus 3D printer. In today's fast-paced world, where innovation reigns supreme, the Anycubic Kobra Plus 3D printer emerges as a shining star, catering to the needs of mechanical engineering enthusiasts like never before. With its mind-boggling features, this printer takes simplicity to a new level. But that's not all. The 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen enhances your experience with its vibrant display and lightning-fast responsiveness. Navigating through options has always been challenging, making your journey smoother than a well-oiled machine. It's a breeze to use to dive into your printing adventures without delay. And let's remember the size! The Anycubic Kobra Plus offers a printing area 2.5 times larger than its predecessor, the Anycubic Mega S. With a generous 300 by 300 by 350 mm printing size, you can bring your boldest mechanical creations to life. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for mechanical engineering. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.